Here in Mornington, upstream of ISGU, post CCTV after relining. That's the head of the drain, the LIG. There's our first reline, right up close to it. Then we've skipped the junction there, so we didn't blank it out. Then another reline here. Nice, smooth out 90 bend. The end of that reline, there's the junction that we didn't want to block off, and there's the start of the next reline. There's the end of that reline, there's the junction we didn't want to block off, start of the next reline. Another 90 bends, really nice, straight reline, all the way, lapping into PVC. So there you can see, PVC straight into reline. All finished.